All right. We were out here on a Sunday fun day. We're out here for Walter, one of a kind. Little car show out here in Van Nuys. We got the El Camino out here, got the Love Bug out here, got the bus, got all kinds of goodies out here. A lot of cars. See, filled up better than what I thought it was going to be. So, pretty good. Glad for him. So, anyways, you know what to do with me. Take a walk with me. Let's go. Little El Camino Love right here. He's got that 383 in there, all polished up and clean, looking so sexy, so sweet, baby. Very nice, huh? Oh shit, got that Deal on Adventure sticker right there. Hit me up. Got some good stuff only, rolling gold, baby. Got the 100 spokes. Clean leather interior. You know that sexy son of a bitch right there. I don't have my ice cold carbonated beverage in hand. Got a security guy walking around, you know. We got to keep it under wraps today, but you know damn well we're getting ourselves our little drink on. Pay some respects to that plaque. Exclusives only. Yeah, buddy. The little ACTION action over here on the 6 tray. Yeah, buddy. Oh, we got some ladies from the 80s out here too. All right. Exclusive. Exclusives only right there. Yeah, buddy. Got cleaned up spokes. Let's go right now. Uh-oh, passengers falling over. It's getting ready to give a little roadhead. Easy now, easy. Turtle gang over here. Primeros. Honey spoke. Some respects to that plaque. Yes. Got a nice flake in that paint. You see it in the sun? Woo-wee. Sick will lock up in the back. That booty's racked up. Got the undersides. Backside of water. Got the backside of 9. Rolling gold. Check out that pattern right there. Got that lace work. Bringing that sexiness. That burnt tangerine. Very clean and pristine on the insides right there. See if we can check out that booty. Yes indeedy, yes indeedy. Feeling greedy. Beautiful day out here. Not too hot. Not too hot yet. Beautiful blue 6.4. Rolling in 520s. Spokes shined up real nice like. Beautiful blue. Check that shit out. Very nice. That booty dropped. Shot of the insides. There we go. 6.4 right here. A little mellow yellow. They call me mellow yellow. More Primeros over here. Yes, sir. Anyways, the homie Walter's throwing this, man. It's came out to be a pretty good little event here. I don't know how many cars are here, but we're gonna find out. You never know unless you go. Get off your backsides, drink a couple of beers, talk some trash with the homies when you're out and about. Man, never know unless you go. So we done came and we're gonna find the fuck out. The hopper right here. It's graphics down the side. You see right back here. Got the little bumper beauty from slapping the streets. Reinforced rear end. The Cuddy's gone wild. All right. Nice graphics. Spokes. Comay arms. Got that booty locked up. The Ocho right there. See that lace work? Primeros. Got that Continental kit. You know. See what it looks like down low. Down low. Reinforced. Another booty slapper. Another Cuddy from Primeros. Nice graphics right up there. Locked up, got that wheel well painted. Got 100 spokes. Little chrome A-arms. Got that stock style interior. Yes, sir. Felix, what do you got to say? Never has anything to say to me. That mother lover. Guess he's not a rat, huh? Meadows right there, respect to that plaque. Check out the booty. Woo! The sexiness down there, huh? Wagon right here. 818 Boleros. You gotta say, Felix? Set it all right there with the pose. Got the waters on the floor, some hydration. Gotta stay hydrated today. Yes, sir. Yes, indeedy. Nice interiors. Drop it to the back. There we go, right there. Watch out for that music. Got the Buick out here on 100 spokes. And a nice, clean, original insides. Metallic plate down the top. Respect for that black and Lincoln over here. Parked a little close when we'll be able to get in there, but locked up. See what we got down there? Let's wrap around to the other side. Close together right here, so we won't be able to go wrap it in. Got a little patina love over here on the El Camino. Yes, sir. Got them spokes on down nice though. Boleros. Let's see if we can wrap around over here. In the making, baby. In the making. Everybody got to start somewheres. That 818 plaque. Back. Way back. The RCs. That 6.4 down there. Oldies Car Club. Respects to that plaque. Laid out bicycle, huh? And the little push car for the babies. Got some homework right here. Read it, learn it, love it. This nice, beautiful original. 56. Look at that color. Woo! This thing is sexy. Check out the guts. Got the baby making station right there. The hard top. Tina Love over here on the K5 Jimmy. Got that top off. Steven over here. How's it going? Beautiful blue. Zoom it in, zoom it out, back it up. Doing the moonwalk, baby. Boombox. What is this little? The man buggy laid out over here. Got that OG custom OG look, gangsta look, right? That lace work and that paint. Rolling the Kragers. Old school right here. Nice interiors. Cleaned up. Sunshine blinding me. The Dolly Classics. Boombox over here. That blue interior.
It was just supposed to be like for her as a gift, you know. It wasn't to put in the car. But she put it on the car, and nobody said nothing. We said that. So now we
Shape 180 Monte. Beautiful. La Gente, again, check out those graphics. Rolling 13s. Big body rolling little wheels, but check out that paint. Yellowed up. The switch panels back there, T-top. Look at all that beautiful paintwork, baby. Race cars running down the street. Beautiful Packard. Clean under the hood. The Tommy gun in the back seat.
I see you rolling in.
La Gente.
You wanted me over there like
La Gente.
well, let them acá. There's a spot right there.
Our canopies over there in the corner by ourselves.
That thermal cooler. Check out the guts. Full wrapped around. Detailed. Gonna get run over even. All right. Have a good hood on Mercedes right here. Homie Tony. His Buick is down right now. He lost his starter the other day, or last week anyway, at the LAPD show. So he's getting ready to go home, and well, no bueno. Bounce it over here. Got 3100 Chevrolet. Beautiful chrome on that grill right there. Woo-wee. It's for Sally. Nice and clean. Check that shit out right there. Okay, back. Got that wood bed. Big old white walls. Make it go skeet skeet. See a number in there? GNC. Down there somewhere. Where the magic happens, all the business right there, right? Check out, it got the wooden spoke look-alike. That's cool little detail right there, huh? Beautiful interior. Nice clean truck. That 5 window. All right, we slammed down a beer. Nice cold carbonated beverage. Oldies, respect to that black. Look at that badass grill right there. Chevrolet. The Swan Diggity on the front. Original bad arse. That rag top, man, got a gold-plated Tommy gun in the back. The suicide door right here. This is Capone. Like Alphonse, got the Louis Vuitton luggage on the back. Daddy's not coming home. Oldies, specs to that plaque. Bring it on down. Capone, see? Wasn't lying. Where's old Alphonse? Oldies over here. That grill for all them steaks. That 4-door. Man, I gotta go get my ice cold carbonated beverage. Things are getting critical over here. Safety first. Oldies, baby. Specs to that plaque. It's for sale as well. There you go. Make all your dreams come true. Beautiful Plymouth out here. Rolling 13s on them 520s. Got that burgundy spoke. That flat top. Get the sheen. Nice straight body. Clean lines. Say they don't make them like they used to. Little cockpit. Big baby making station right there. Hey, these cars aren't the only thing that's running on gas today. Man, woo! I'm over here getting the Boots Goose Boogie on myself. That trunk, clean as that. Oldies. shot up from the other side. Yes, sir. Walking on through. Oldies right there. Done brought the sexy. Individuals out here too. Really nice. Individual and oldies unite. Black 6 deuce. Sit straight down that body. Walk it down. Walk, 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 walk. Got that Continental kit up on the curb. Boy, risking his life out here. Individuals. Another 50-footer, 2-door edition. Nice with the what do you call that? The crest embedded into the interior. Got that Continental kit. Jumping over that curb again. Gonna break a hip one day. Specs of that plaque, baby. 52-foot long Cadillac, rolling gold. Got the gold grill. Pillared up. Engraved. 4-door. Original interior. The individual's jacket right there. Been around for a club, been around for a long time. This is the North Hollywood chapter. Out of NoHo. Got that Continental kit. Check out that setup. Gray with the gold accents. Nice, like a ivory color, cream. La creme de la creme. Rolling gold. That burgundy interior. Spinaroonie, back it up. Back. How we doing today? Step up on the curb. Check out that clean setup in there. Woo. Sexy baby. Specs to that plaque. Let's go, let's go. You never know unless you go, and guess what? We done came and we're done finding the fuck out. Beautiful 6 tray. Me like. Burgundy big ants on that 52-foot long Cadillac. Look at that color. Panty dropper. Came driving in behind this gentleman this morning. Homeboy's not afraid to drive, man. He's like 52 mile an hour on the side streets over here, ripping it through. Got that old school found top. Get a little back. Continental. It's got lights in there. You can't see them right now, of course, but just look at that burgundy sheen, shine. Specs of that plaque. Individuals. No Hollywood. 2-foot long 4-door again over here. A little deeper burgundy. A little darker color. Castle grill. Got some burgundy nipples. Woo. Got the nipply. That gold leaf going down the side. Long body. It takes 3.5 minutes. Walk down the back. That Continental kit. Check out that 4-pump setup in there. Shit ton of batteries. What do we got there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, something like that. Goes down on the bottom. Gotta get low. See that plaque? It's over there on the other side. Individuals, baby. Individuals. 47-foot Cadillac. Tubular grill. Castle. Clean tires, man. I'm impressed with how clean that tire is. Bounce my way to the rear. It's a rear backside of Cadillac. OG Harry Cadillac. Got that purple. Purple. Armenian. Beautiful Cadillacs. Individuals brought it. That silver leaf. Long. Got to stop and get a taco. Make it the rest of the way. Clean ass tire. Woo, man. Got to take some notes right there. Another 4-pump setup. Got that Continental kit. See what we got down there. All the goodies. See that plaque? Individuals again. Shadows are playing games. Graphics on this caddy right here, baby. Rolling gold. Check out that gold grill. Gold spoke. Look at the design. It's a cool little design. Roll it back. Yes, indeedy. Got that 4-pump. 4 pumps to get that caddy lifted. Dyno matted. No plaque in the window. 66 over here. Got the Halloween ready. Boogity boo. Boogity boo. Just looking at you, huh? Hey, some duck action. Got the Oregon Ducks. Quack, quack. Beautiful interior. Nice and clean. Original. Check out that trunk. Roll it through. Pop around to the other side. Let's go. Old Glory on the seat. That's what it's all about, baby. Pimpin' Astro over here in the corner. I like that purple. Purple. Got the suicide door or the flip up door, like the Lambo door. Crisscross on the paint in that spoke. And guess what? Yep. Your mom's pole is right there. Tell your mom I said hi. Check out the Make It Happening Center right there. Missed my, had the 86 Astro van. I love that thing. Had to give it up. Got old. Let's see what I'm talking about on the crisscross applesauce in there. Let's wrap it to the front. Why not, right? Got full access over here. Little chain steering wheel. The disco ball inside. Woo-woo. Some dollar bills getting thrown around in there. That really nice $6 from the Double R Ruthless Riders. Check out all that beautiful chrome. Look how clean that chrome is. To Make It Happener right there. Mirrors on the underside of the hood. With that paint. It's got that pearl in it. It's not just a red. Look at that pearl that's in there. Skeet. Beautiful interior. We like that. See that gold? Oh man. When you hit and when you see it in that sun like that, man. I gotta go back and pick up my underpants right now because I just lost them. It's a beautiful deuce right here. Specs of that Double R. Ruthless Riders have some nice cars in their bundle. 57 is what it's all about right there. Look at that chrome and gold. Beautiful, like fire engine red. Got the red walls. Rolling them D's. Engraved gold on the A-arms, upper and lower. Fuel injected. Walk it around. You think that inside is right there is nice. Wait till you see what we got back here. Are you ready? Shut the back door. Old school airplane compressor pumps right there. That's the old school shit right there. That's what you pay to see. Beautiful 57. Let's not forget about that plaque. individuals. Wrap it on through. There we go. There we go. 32-foot long Cadillac, nice and clean black. Rolling some 14s. The Honda spoke. Got the beepers, huh? That's an old school song over there. Beepers. Caddy action over here. Armenian lowriders. Castle Grill, rolling gold. Hot Rod Trans Am right here. Thing came rolling in. It's got slicks on the back right there. Get out of town. Get ready to go tear some shit up. That alien air filter. I like. So Mix-a-Lot over there, shaking it up. On the tables anyway. Got my shadow, me and my shadow. Just roll it through. Bounce it to the back so we can pay our respects to that black. Low lows. Special edition Cadillac. Real, keeping it clean right there. Rolling gold. Beautiful day. Beautiful day for some beautiful rides out here. Beautiful paintwork. Stitched. Eloquence. Respect to that plaque. Got it posted up in the back seat right there. It's taking a ride. Gotta have that seatbelt on, baby. Cadillac special window edition right there. Right? Right. Harley's out here too. La Morena. Nice clean. Like that seat color. At the back, got the pipes stretching out 6.5 feet behind the bike. I love it. Fucking Slick Rick. There we go. Wrap it. That lowrider style. And another lowrider style. Got them thick spoke. The old thickies. The Harley. Not over the top. Bit of everything out here. Got the Porsches. The Porsche over here. Look how clean. Big money, baby. Big money. All kinds of goodies out here. Not just lowriders, imports. A little bit of everything. GT4 RS. You know nothing about Porsches. We got a little pony almost getting, well, he didn't. He got bit by that shark. I love it. Man, bring back the memory and see Gremlin out here. The cleanest one you're ever going to see in all original condition. How sexy and clean we are. How we doing today?
How's it going?
All right, all right. It's always good to be seen.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Say the cleanest Gremlin you're ever gonna find. Beautiful. Get back. Check out that booty. Wrap it down the other side. Let's see if we can sneak through right here. Where you get the full wraparound of it and just see and admire how clean that is in there.
YouTube, me and one of my buddies.
Love it. Homie Jeremy over here. Him and his wife put all their blood, sweat, tears, and cheers into the 64. Think small, drive big. A little homework, pause it, read it. Very clean bug. Like that putty gray. Let's see what we got going on over here. Right to the back. Let's see if we can do a little dancing. Put on my dancing shoes. How we doing? All right, all right. Bikes out here, do some tricks on that. Oh, vintage. Some clean ass little bicycles. I dig it. A little Volkswagen. Station wagon. Volkswagen. Got a lot of foot room in there. Got that rag top, slicked all the way back. tow hitch on there. What are you towing? Corner over here. Nice clean bus. Adam, where you at? How are you?
Keep doing your movie.
Keep going, right? It is very nice, very clean. The color on here, it's like a rose. Can I call you Rose? Check out the insides. The Volkswagenage. Rapid back, 3-row seating. How many windows? 2, 4, 6, 8. A lot? I think so. Let's keep it going. Do the moonwalk right here. We get 2 for 1. Got the little bus up on top. I ride with I slide with the untouchables from the from the SFV, baby. Here we go. The SFV. Our Madness over here. 885 horse ponies. Got the little light action going on right there. Nice clean wrap. Take a little spin-a-mooney. Locked in side by side over here. We've got that Camaro. Not going to be able to go down the side. We've got a little Randy's tire action going on right there. Hello, ladies. What's going on with that tattoo and that thigh right there? Woo! Man, you gotta trust that artist. With a stinky finger. Marvin the Martian over here. Hello, ladies. Man, how come no ladies ever pose on my car? I don't know. Wasn't a very good Marvin the Martian accent, but you know what? Fuck it. Maybe after a couple more beers. Martian down the side. Over here. Keep it going with the Mopar Magic. That Scat Pack. Vicious. Be able to get down here. We'll check out the booty of Martian in a second. Check out that slick. I'll check it out on the gram. Kind of stickers going on right there. Horsepower. See what's going on the inside. No guts, no glory. Get in, sit down, shut up, let's go. Right? Go get the backside of Marvin. Limited Creations. Marvin the Martian. I don't even think they show those cartoons anymore. They've been banned. Martian accent. Marvin all over the place. The floor mats. Very nice, huh? Nicely done. Even on the tires. Ooh, check out this vet right here rolling 4 Giottos. Little homework. Windows, doors popped up. Man, look how beautiful this car is right here. Well, as soon as we can get past that door. What we got going on the inside right there? The command center. Man, oh man, oh man, man, oh me, oh my, oh. Down. Bounce it to the booty. What a beauty.
So just a quick announcement. We will begin the raffle at 1:35 p.m. today, so you still have time to stop by and get your raffle tickets.
Oh shit, what's going on back here? Man, the Black Fury. Got an Avenger roll over here. We love it, we love it, we love it. Go check it out right there, all the goodies. Some cool signage right here. It's a trophy getter, penny dropper. Around over here to the other side. Daddy's Little Monster. Rawr. Good stuff. Why so serious? Did they do that alright? I think so. Why so serious? Got the mashing of two musics around here, so hopefully that'll cancel out so we won't get any clicks against us. 56. Nomad. No movement. Respect to that plaque. A little patina love right there. Right. Really is a nice day out here. Nice little breeze coming through. Walter's Madness over there. Poetry, one of a kind. What we got down there? LS drop. Cool ass Tesla right here. Here we go. Hold on, we got some homework. Got the man on the moon. Do you believe we put a man on the moon? Pause it for that homework action right there. Gonna be a quiz later. Nice airbrushing right there. That Tesla laid out. DIY auto detailing supplies. Got the graphite carbon fiber wrap look. Do a little moonwalk over here. Big old tow hitch. We're dragging all the women, right? When they want to climb aboard, say get in the trailer. Taking you home. Now we get over here for the 6th squad. This is also a wrap. I like that blue. Oh, get my head out of the shadow so you can read that right there. We got another event coming up. Coming up on Halloween. Get a little trunk or treat action going on over here. Always puts on a good show. Follow the 6th squad. Let's go on the other side so I don't get hit in the head by the canopy coming off of that Tesla over there. Check it out on the inside. Always got some cool stuff in there. Got the little plush NOS. I'm Batman. I'm Batman. Back. Here we go. Check out the window. Hit them up on Instagram. Always holding meets around the valley. Very nice, huh? Why? Because it's sick, bro. The homie Joseph right now, just for a second. We'll get back to it right now. Pause for that station identification. That's a pretty hard ass fucking Nissan right here. I like that. Looks fucking nice. Jump down. Look but don't touch. Got the man, it's got a metallic plate in there. Got the brakes. Man, what's going on in here? All kinds of ACTION. The cigar station. Let's see if you can read that window right now. Check it out right here. It's talking to me. Man, I thought it was a paint. Nope, that's a wrap. Get out of town. This top is also a wrap. Man, I was totally fooled. I thought it was painted. All wrapped. Guess I should have done my homework right there, right? Chrome engraving. It's got touches of lowrider, import. Got the red rope, the velvet rope. All kinds of goodness going on right here. It's all about. Got some BW love right there. Hello, ladies. No juicy. Yes, juicy, juicy. Respects to Walter. Good job out here, Walter. Good job. Things lifting. Juice. Wrap it up right here. See if we can get away from that music right quick. Nope. That has Tammy's 52 Suburban. How clean that chrome is right there. Small block dropped in there. 3-door. Shady lady action right there. That black click. Breast cancer survivor right here. Keep fighting. Keep fighting. OG bomb. OG. Gangster mobile. Real gangster mobiles. Back. Here, a little bit more, a little bit more. Badass Buick. Gangsta Mobile. Got that music. Playing games with me, baby. Return to the Gangsta Mobile. Came up in Pasadena. Go up the other side. Do the spinneroonie, do the moonwalk. Yes, indeedy, baby. Got so many views off the short that I did on this one last week. Another Buick. OG. Still confused. I need to get in that car. I need to sit in it. Go find the driver. Find out what the hell. How the hell that works. It doesn't make any sense to me. Ladies. Got a beautiful 63 convertible in original condition. Got them Super Sport hubcaps. Beautiful green. Pause it for a second. Bike over here. Got Barney, Fred, TV Guide. All the Flintstones on the back right there. Look at that beautiful paint.
All my riders, queen and kings. We got each other, the family. We're each who we talk to be. Most people wanna vacate their everyday life. My everyday life is most people's vacation. I live every day. I'm living as free as I'll ever be. Freedom is my mentality. That's something you cannot take from me. I built my character on integrity. You can miss me with that bullshit if you hating on me. Cause I've been out here manifesting, so you waiting on me. And I've been out here manifesting all the rest of it. I let everything vacation cause I'm pressing limits and streets.
Seen all the cars out here today. So we sneaking around with our ice cold carbonated beverage. Keep it under wraps, but it's a good day out here. Poetry in motion over there, one of a kind. Let's go. Good job, Walter. Never know unless you go. We done came, found out. Like, subscribe. Thank you truly thank you to everybody who has done so. I always say it all the time, but you know what? Thank you, truly. It does mean a lot to me. On our chase to $5 grand, 5,000. So help me out. It's free. Anyways, you never know unless you go. So let's go. Let's go. Let's fucking go.